For Miami members, new and exciting features from Agent 3000. Click through to Brand and Market New. And let's talk about the market trends graphs. You can come in, select a city or zip, or if you do type in a zip code, that will override the city. Select single family or condo, and then a chart type, total listings versus same agent, days on market, number of units, top 20 selling communities, median home size, median sold price versus median listed price, median sold price pool versus no pool, median sold price garage versus no garage, median sold price gated community, median sold price golf course versus no golf course. So you would come in and select, let's say I'm interested in median sold price. Choose from a bar graph or a line graph. Select a background if you'd like. Make sure to always add your profile photo, the ability to add a logo and a QR code. Footer, right? And create your image. Allow the system to work its magic. And here you have the image to download. Miramar single family homes for you to save and then add to social media, your presentations, and more. Agent 3000, all-in-one marketing with Miami.